I thought I'd do a quick update. Amy's done some painting, pretty much all the way done, over to the electric panel. Even hung up a painting today, and I did square it off. I ended up putting one in the corner. I don't know if we'll be able to see this, and then a longer one down below, and that really made it. It's not perfectly flat, but it's so close now that you really can't tell, especially if it's hanging straight. Did some sweeping on the floor. It's looking really good. Cleaning it up, getting things organized a little bit more. I still got some stuff to organize, so I'll keep working on that. And I tried the table legs. So there's the table legs had built. And there's the table that's going to go on them. And you can see the table is, it was an old one. It was given to us. It was a leaf table. So I'm going to actually make a piece of pine for underneath and screw it up so it locks them right in. So I need to do that. But I thought before I did that, I was going to actually give it a coat of, and since I had this sitting around, I'm going to use this stuff right here. And I know it's really good stuff. There's a lot of tung oils and oils that are excellent, and that'll do this really nice. It'll give it a fresh feel, but yet vintage. Then I'll move that tabletop over here, and I'm going to put some plastic underneath the legs. I was debating on, should I leave them the color they are, or should I stain them? Gosh, I keep going back and forth. One thing I'm a little worried about, it was really low-grade pine, and at one time it had wormholes in it. But I'm quite sure they're not active now, so I could leave it the way it is. But if I go dark on it, it'll blend with the table more too. So, gosh, I'm still up in the air on that one. I do have lots of stain though, so I'm leaning towards staining it. Normally I do not stain wood, but pine I'm okay with. So, and this is pine, so this just may get that stain. Plus that'll give it a preservative, and I'm not gonna have to worry about it rotting as easy. Okay, so I wanted to show you a little bit here if I can get this cap off. Let me grab a screwdriver. This is what's exciting about, there we go. So you have this look, you can see how it's pretty rough. You know, it's aged. I'm going to squirt some of this on. We're going to take our little bitty rag here. And I'm just going to go over and let it soak in. And it's going to bring the wood back to life and the coating that was on it. So you can see right away what we're looking at. So beautiful. So I'm going to call that a wrap on the filming and get to work.